In this video, I am going to show you the solution of this exercise. Question number 3. Set up the documents page as mentioned below. So you have to make the paper size A4. Orientation, you have to select landscape. Margin top 1 inch, left 1 inch, right 1 and bottom 1 inch. So this is the skeleton file. I will make the change. So let us select all the pages and we go to the layout tab and we can see the page setup dialog box. So we can see the current margins are 0.5 inch, so I'll change to 1 inch, 1 inch left, 1 inch bottom, 1 inch right, and also we'll select the orientation landscape. Then the paper will select A4. Click OK. So you can see the paper changed to A4. Let us make a little bit bigger this one. Okay. Now question number 4. We are going to create the following paragraph style. So these are the name. We'll make two style. At first we'll make S1. S1 style based on heading 1. Font Cambria, size 14, bold and color will be purple. So let us do this part at first. So you go to the home tab and style group, open the style dialog box. Now we are going to choose the new style option, this one. So let us write down the name S1. Now the style based on heading 1, so we'll change heading 1. Cambria, so we'll make Cambria. So Cambria only. Then size 14, we'll make it bold and the color purple, so this is the purple color. Now we'll select the all caps and alignment right, spacing before 3 pt, space after 3 pt, line spacing 1.5. So let us go to font. So here we can see all caps. Then we'll make the paragraph alignment right, so we'll make it right, space before 3 pt, so we'll make it 3 pt, space after 3, so also after 3, line spacing 1.5 line, so we'll make 1.5 line. Click OK. Now we'll change the border, bottom border, so we'll make the border, this is bottom, so we'll select bottom. So you can see S1 is added. Now we can see our paragraph changed, so we clear the style from the paragraph. Now let us make another one, which is S2. So we write S2 based on normal, font times New Roman, size 12. So based on already normal, so here we'll change the font times New Roman, size 12. We'll make the alignment justified, left indentation, left indent 0.3. So let us go to paragraph. Here we'll make the alignment justified, left indent 0.3, so left indent 0.3, space before 0, space after 0, so space before is already 0, we'll make after also 0, and line spacing single, which is already single. So let us click OK and OK. So you can see S2 is created. So this is also completed. Now let us apply the style, question number 5. So we apply the above styles to the parts of the document. So these are the paragraph style and these are the paragraph where we apply. So let us apply S1. S1 will apply tools for image processing. This line will make S1. You can see it is changed. Then generic form processing system, this one generic, this one. Then look stroke model, this one is a stroke model, we'll make S1. Table of content, scale space approach, this is the scale space for this one. and the table of content is 1. Now we'll apply heading 1. We'll apply heading 1. So we'll apply heading 1 in the following style. In the following paragraph, global gray, heading 1, local gray, heading 1, image regularization, heading 1, and the data extraction, heading 1. Now we'll make the heading 2, the linear filter. So this is the linear filter heading 2, the linear filter heading 2, and S2 all other remaining paragraph. So all the other paragraph will be S2. This one, this one, this, all. Either we can select one by one, or we can select all together also by using the control key. So these all are S2. Now we'll make the end note. Insert an end note after the word ASCII in the paragraph that begins with before the items of interest. And the end note displays this one. So this is the end note. So let me copy this one. So this is the paragraph before. So before the items of interest, we can see here this is the ASCII word key. So click the word after ASCII. Go to the references tab. We'll make here end note. So we'll click on this end note option. Now we can see the end note is created. So we already copied. So now we'll paste it. The note. This is the note we want to make. Now add a header to the document that will display preparatory computer science. So we'll make this as a header, and we'll change the alignment to center. We'll put in center, and we'll make a box in outside box border that for the header. So let us see the output. This is the output file. So this is the header we have to make. So we can double click on top of the page. That will open the header option. We can write it. Then this one I want to put in the center. So I'll put in center. Now we'll make the box. So the box option, the border option in the paragraph. There's the border options. We'll make the box border. That's outside border. Now double click in the normal document to activate it again. Now insert the page number at the bottom of page in a format of thick line. So let us do the page number. Go to the insert. We can see the page number here. We'll select bottom of page and we'll choose thick line. So if we go down here, we can see the option thick line. So the page number is inserted. Now we can close the header footer. Now question number 9, we have to put the cursor to the end of the paragraph that begins with when we design a recognition engine. That is the paragraph here, when we design a recognition engine. So after this paragraph, we have to insert an empty line. So click at the end of the paragraph here. Now press enter key to make a line. So create empty line. Now we'll use the paragraph style normal. So let us choose the style normal. Now we'll make 2-column paragraph here, and in the first column we'll insert picture image 01 and we'll adjust the size, height and width like this. Now if I want to make 2-line paragraph here, what I have to do, because I want to make 2-column paragraph only in this line, so I have to choose the line. I have to select the line. If I don't select the line and make 2-column, my whole document will change to 2-column. But I want to make 2-column only here. So we'll select this line, then we'll go to layout and column and we'll make 2-column. So you can see in the ruler also, now in this line there are two columns created. Now in the first column we want to insert the picture, so we'll go to insert and pictures, and we'll select this image 01 picture. But we can see the picture size is very big, so we'll change it. So we'll right click and we'll go to size and position, and we want to change the size like this, height 1.91, width 3.47. So before we do that, we'll remove this option, lock aspect ratio. We'll remove it. Now we'll make it the size 1.91 and the width will make 3.47. Now we click OK. So the picture became small now. Then we insert a column break. In the second column, we'll put the column break to go to the second column, and in the second column we'll insert a table and write down the information shown in the output. So we'll make a table there and we'll put this information. So let us click after the picture and we'll put a break. So go to layout and break and we'll select column break. Okay, we are in the second column now. Now I'll insert a table, so 2 by 4, and we'll merge the cells like this and we'll write PYP002. So let us do that. So we'll select both of these cells together, then right click, and there is an option called merge, and we'll write down the text here, PYP002. We'll put in the center, and here we'll make a color. So right click and you can see the color option here, shading option. So you go there and we'll make it orange color as shown in the output. Then here we write name, ID, section like this. So in these cells, let's write down your name, ID and section. Now let us answer the question number 11. So question number 11, select the list of items starting with class number of images. Then insert a left tab at 1.5 inch position and right tab with the dotted leader at 5 inch position, and apply the tabs according to the output. So we want to make a list like this. Basically, this is a list of items. So that is, we go to the page number 1. These are the list of items. So we select it. We open the paragraph dialog box. Go to tabs. Here we want to create a left tab 1.5 inch at first. So write 1.5 in this box and left, and there will be no leader. So we select none and click set. Now we'll make another right tab with dotted leader 5 inch. So let us write 5 and we select the alignment right and we select the dots here and click set. So we have 2 tabs here. Now we click OK. Now you can see in the ruler 1.5 inch and 5 inch there are 2 tabs created. So we'll click before the text and press a tab key here to move to the first tab, and then we'll click before the number as shown in the output. You can see here we'll press another tab. Similarly for other line, first tab, and before the number, second tab. So this is as similar to the output. Question number 12, create a list style. So we have to save our file, then use the numbering format as shown in the output, and we have to link level 1 to paragraph style S1, link level 2 to paragraph style heading 1, link level 3 to paragraph style heading 2. So let us save our document at first. You can press this one or Ctrl S. Now we'll go to the list option. So we go home, paragraph, and we open this one, multi-level list. And before that, we'll see the output. What is the numbering style here? So you can see level 1 is starting with ABC. So I'll choose ABC. Then level 2, that is heading 1, is number 1, 2, 3. So these are the number, and in between there is a dash. and level 3, which is heading 2, that is the heading 1. D1 is from now heading 1 and I. So you can see this is the style for heading 2. So let us do it. Now first of all, we'll go to home, paragraph, we'll click on the multi-level list and we'll go to define new list style. I will choose the format, numbering, and we'll click on more to link up. So select number 1 and here we link up with S1. Select number 2, we link up with heading 1, and select number 3, we link up with heading 2. Now we'll choose the numbering. So select number 1, delete the old number, and we choose ABC because that is ABC capital. Now select number 2, we delete all the old number. Now the level 2 is included level 1, so we'll include at first level 1, then put the dash, and then we select 1 2 3, that is 1 2 3. Now we select 3, we delete the old number. Similarly, like before, we include level 1, then put dash, and include level 2, then put dash, and then for the style of 3 is this. So after we do that, we click OK and OK. Now we'll choose the numbering. We'll select and see the numbers are correct or not. So you can see this is A, which is okay. This should be B, but this is not correct. So sometimes it can happen. So what we have to do, we have to select the style for this one as normal style. So that number will disappear. Now we'll select the original style of this one, which is S1. So we can see the numbering has been auto corrected. So C1, C2, D, D1. So we can see here all other numbers are correct. Now question number 13, insert page break before the heading image recognition. So let us see. Yeah, here we can see the image recognition. So we'll click before that, and here we'll put a break called page break to take it to the next paragraph. Now in question number 14, position the cursor to the right of table of content, then insert an empty line and use paragraph style normal. So we'll click after the table of content, the right side, press enter key. So we'll put enter key, and that makes a new line, and we'll make the paragraph style normal here. Now insert a table of content with formal format and dotted leader under the heading table of content. So here we are going to insert a table of content. So go to the reference table of content, and you can see custom table of content, and here we'll choose the format formal according to the question. Now here the tab leader will be dots, so we'll keep the dots. Now we'll have to go to option and delete the previous level, and we have to define our level. So S1 is 1, heading 1 will be 2, and heading 2 will be 3. So we click OK and OK. So you can see the style, the table of content is created. So this is all. Now we can see our whole document is similar to this output. So this is all for this exercise, and thanks for watching.